Hi YouTube, as you can see, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Lightning l-drago. I just got him today. As you can see, I finished unboxing Evil Germinals, and I didn't put the stickers, but this is how he looks like with his stickers I just finished. And it's not Metal Fight, it's Metal Fusion. Okay, as you can see, it says Forbidden Bay, and let's open it. So hard to open these. Oh, that was easy. Awesome! I love this ripcord. It's awesome. Has a nice grip like the old launchers did. See? Like that. Like that. And now let's unbox the bay. Okay, the face bolt popped out. Here's Ryuga. It's red. Put that with the rest of the collection. That's l-drago. Let's take it off. Well, he has a lot of stickers. Okay, I couldn't take the face bolt off. Who cares? Tack ring. Well, clear wheel, technically. Oh my god. I hate these. You just pop up with. Okay, the launcher came out. Assembly tool came out. Time to take off the metal wheel. Yes, I got it off. Now I'm just opening it. Pop, 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 poker, pay, pop, pop, poker face. More. Subscribe to the Lego Bay Champion. He's a nice Lego Blader. Nice guy. Subscribe. Okay. Hate people who don't subscribe. No, just kidding. But I can't open this. Well, I can't open it. Okay. As you can see, I'm taking off the sticker from the front. It's hard to take off. Wow, I hate these face bolts. This is going to be a longer video than my Evil Germinals unboxing. So, don't mind me. I just like talking. Okay, I got the face bolt ready. Wow, that's hard to take off. Okay, I got the face bolt off. Time to put the l-drago sticker on. Okay. That's what the face bolt looks like. Nice. Now, on to putting it together. As you can see, I need scissors for this. Oh, no, never mind. Opened it. There. Now, the instructions are right here. Okay, let's find out where the stickers go on. Okay, I still have 5 more minutes to show you guys video because memory's almost dead. Okay, that's hard. Okay. And it might actually take forever to put stickers on. Okay. Well, I can't put the stickers on, but I'll make another video about l-drago, how he looks like with all his stickers on. So comment, rate 5 stars. Please keep it clean. Hate bad comments. Everybody does. Keep it clean. Okay, and bye. Bum 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 bum. Bye.